Are you someone aiming to clear the IELTS test in 2026? If yes, this video is for you. Make sure you watch it till the end. You can have good English, you can study for months and still get stuck at band 6.5. Why? Because IELTS is not testing how much English you know. It is testing how strategically you use your English under exam conditions. I am Malcolm. In this video, I'm going to give you powerful IELTS speaking and writing hacks based on the latest 2025 and 2026 examiner expectations, so you can aim for band 7, 8 or even higher on your first attempt. Part 1. IELTS Speaking Band 7 plus 8 plus Strategy. Hack 1. Understand what examiners actually want. IELTS Speaking is scored based on fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammar, range and accuracy, pronunciation. Here's the truth. Examiners are not looking for perfection. They are looking for natural, clear and confident communication. Hack 2. Stop giving short answers. One of the biggest mistakes students make is giving very short answers. For example, do you like traveling? Yes, I do. That's a band 5 or 6 answer. Instead, expand. Yes, I really enjoy traveling because it allows me to explore new cultures and meet different people. For example, last year I visited Melbourne and had an amazing experience. This shows fluency and idea development. Hack 3. Use the 3-step answer formula. For most speaking questions, follow this simple structure. Answer, explain, example. This helps you speak longer and more clearly without getting stuck. Hack 4. Don't memorize answers. In 2026, examiners are very strict about memorized responses. If your answer sounds rehearsed, your score can drop. Speak naturally, even if your grammar is not perfect. Natural communication scores higher than memorized perfection. Hack 5. Use simple but flexible vocabulary. You don't need very advanced words. Instead, use simple words in a flexible way. For example, instead of saying good, say beneficial, helpful, valuable. This improves your vocabulary score. Hack 6. Control your fluency. Many students try to speak fast to sound fluent. That is a mistake. Speak at a natural pace. Use small pauses instead of saying or ah. Fluency is about smooth communication, not speed. Hack 7. Extend your answers in part 2. In part 2, you need to speak for about 2 minutes. Many students stop early. That immediately limits your score. Use the structure: introduction, main idea, details, conclusion. Keep speaking until the examiner stops you. Hack 8. Give opinions in part 3. In part 3, your answers must be more analytical. Don't just answer. Explain your opinion clearly. For example, I believe technology has improved communication because people can connect instantly through digital platforms, although it may reduce face-to-face interaction. This shows higher level thinking. Part 2. IELTS Writing Band 7 plus 8 plus Strategy. Hack 9. Understand Writing Task 2. Scoring. IELTS Writing Task 2 is scored based on task response, coherence and cohesion. Lexical resource, grammar. The most important factor is task response. That means you must answer the question properly. Hack 10. Use a clear essay structure. A strong essay always follows this structure. Introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, conclusion. This improves coherence and makes your ideas easy to follow. Hack 11. Develop your ideas. One of the biggest reasons students get band 6 is lack of development. For example, exercise is important. This is too basic. Instead, exercise is important because it improves physical health and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as obesity and heart problems. This shows idea development. Hack 12. Use linking words correctly. Linking words improve flow but don't overuse them. Use natural connectors like however, in addition. For example, therefore. This improves coherence without sounding forced. Hack 13. Avoid memorized essays. Essays. Examiners in 2025 and 2026 are very good at spotting memorized content. If your essay does not directly answer the question, your score will drop. Always write topic-specific answers. Hack 14. Practice Task 1. Smartly for writing Task 1. Focus on overview. Key trends, important comparisons. Do not describe every detail. Focus on the main features. Hack 15. Grammar control matters more than complexity. Many students try to write very complex sentences and make mistakes. Instead, aim for clear sentences, accurate grammar, controlled structure. Accuracy is more important than complexity. Here's the truth about IELTS. In 2026, the exam is not about using the most difficult English. It is about showing that you can communicate clearly, organize your ideas, respond to the task effectively. If you do these three things, the high score becomes much easier. So before you book your IELTS test, ask yourself one question. Are you just studying English, or are you actually learning how to perform in the IELTS exam? Because the difference between band 6.5 and band 7.5 or 8 is not your English level, it's your strategy. And